everybody. Hope everybody's doing good today. Just wanted to give you a quick rundown of what today's project was. This is a beautiful amethyst and hematite stone necklace. It'll be in the shop here pretty soon as my husband gets it uploaded. But anyway, what I did today was I had these beautiful pieces of amethyst here, and I took some of them out and kept the ones I thought were the most uniform. And I also kept a couple of pair for earrings, so eventually I'll be doing that. But what I decided to mix with it is this beautiful hematite stone right here. There's another one. And then this is a beautiful crackle agate stone. What I did here is I put these amazing kind of hematite color bead caps flanking each piece of the hematite. And then I put here, I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's a little sliver of copper right there. Oh, that got it. Little sliver of copper right here on each side. And what that does is it breaks up the color. Your eye knows something is there, but it's not necessarily in your face, so to speak. But it gives your eye a break from the color palette that's running there. So it's just kind of an accent color, and we know purples and oranges coordinate, so that's kind of what I did there. And then I came up on each side here with another piece of quartz that is a purple color, almost an amethyst color. And this piece is, these are amethyst, okay? So I flanked that. I brought that little sliver right there of copper up a little bit, and also the bead caps up just a little bit to give the heaviness of this part a chance to work itself out in the necklace. So you don't have this abrupt chunkiness down here and then this abrupt chunkiness here, and then you go into these smaller beads. So I kind of pulled that out just a little bit in order to break up that chunkiness at the bottom and blend it in with the rest. And then I alternated. Here's a little tiny bead cap right there just to start the new thought pattern. Then I finished it out all the way up. You can see I alternated. And what I also did was I went from the darker beads here, the darker purple crackle agates, into the lighter. You can see they get lighter, they're darker, and they get lighter as we go to the end where the clasp is. And I have a beautiful decorative hook and eye clasp on here, and a finishing bead cap here in silver, and then a finishing bead here in silver. And then my crimp is here with my crimp cover in silver, and finish that off. And so we have that beautiful finish off there, and we are done for the day. So anyway, hope you enjoy this. It will be in the shop here soon, along with a few other items that I have created recently. So you guys have a fantastic rest of your evening, and I will see you soon. Bye.